Thank you for listening into my YouTube series, You've Been Found Guilty, Now What? Federal and/or white-collar sentencing will be the topic today, with the process starting with the probation officer, the court's representative, as they conduct their pre-sentence interview, questionnaire, and investigation with you. You're going to have to help them as you collect copies of your medical records, if there are hospital records, laboratory, x-ray, all of your doctor's information, contact information, surgeries, get copies of them, any drug prescriptions, medical device prescriptions, any other records you may have, educational, military, character, community service work references, original birth certificates, social security card, driver's license. If you're willing, this is your chance to get or put together a narrative in your own words, either written and or on video format, explaining from the heart what happened, what brought you to this point in your life, and what you will do in the future not to reoffend, as it could result in a 2 to 3 point reduction from the court in your behalf. It also gives your attorney the ability to get their defense strategy on the record through the same pre-sentence report. As I said, it allows the judge to use this information on the pre-sentence report to use it to determine the length of sentence that you may have. The Bureau of Prisons is going to be able to determine your security level. If you're going to go to a minimum camp, there are federal prison camps, which are the least least secure, if you will, or most free. There are satellite camps, which are attached to higher security level institutions, which has a higher or more intense feeling of security about them. Then there are low, medium, high, and then administrative security levels. There are also federal medical centers, and these are essentially the Federal Bureau of Prisons hospital type security levels, where they have all 24/7, 365 medical care available, but they also have all violent and non-violent offenders. Medication is available through the Federal Bureau of Prisons, but it's also important for you to know that they're only generics, and not all medication is available, so you need to know what medication, if you're taking, is available, and have that reviewed with your attorney before you go through the pre-sentence interview. You need to get all of this information correct ahead of time, because there are no redos. And if you don't have the information on the pre-sentence report, it will not be available for you once you are entered into the Federal Bureau of Prisons system. The probation officer supervisor release will then use this information once you get into probation. They'll probably profile you a little bit before they meet you, unless it's going to remain on your record for the remainder of your life, as it truly becomes the gift that keeps on giving. Lastly, on our next YouTube series, we're going to go into all the nuances of the pre-sentence report, again into the personal narrative. Should you have any questions, please feel free to share this with those in need. I hope you found this helpful. I've attached my email here, as well as phone number. Please feel free to reach out to me should you have any questions. And I wish you much success. Hope you had a good day, and I look forward to hearing from you.